Hello traders, today is 16th of March 2010. I would like to talk about today how to filter out the false signal of MACD. I repeat, how to filter out the false signal of MACD. Here, as you can see, there was a top here. There is a top here, and then there was another top trying to be formed here. The price came here, touches this level, came down, and then marked the cross right here. If you look carefully here, and then marked the cross here, and the price went down. You see, MACD was sloping down, and below is signal line. But as I always say, if MACD is above the waterline, it's a bullish situation. So if you are taking a bearish signal from MACD above the waterline, you must take it from the price. So myself, I won't take this signal here because there's nothing the price is telling me here. Maybe here we can see that the trend line is broken here. That's the only thing that we can use here, but it's not very convincing if you are trading on 5. This is 5-minute chart of pound yen. When I'm on 5-minute chart, I'm using the chart pattern before MACD, the number 1 indicator. So I'm looking for double top MACD cross. So there was a top here, as you can see, and there was another top trying to be formed here. You see, so I was waiting for this top to be formed, and then the trend line breaks here, and then MACD cross, then I'll sell. But as you can see here, MACD already crossed here for this trend line that was broken, and it went down, and the price went back up, you see. But the MACD was still below its signal here. This is a false signal here because the price turned around, form a nice V here with this nice wick followed by this green candle. This is a reversal on 5-minute chart. Everybody know this candle pattern, this wick plus a green. You must wait for this doji. This is a doji candle plus this candle here, green, is a turn around. It's a bottom, and the price went up, you see. But that time, look what MACD is doing. MACD was still below its signal line, you see. But the overall signal is that MACD above the waterline, we want to take, we want to take a bearish signal from the price only, the price number 1 indicator. So if I was here, I won't take the signal here. I'll be waiting for the double top, which was forming here. But something very interesting happened here. The price, the second top fell to be formed properly, as you can see here. Normally we should have the price turning around here. If you follow my cursor, it should be turning around here to form the double top, and then this trend line will be broken and MACD crossing and sloping downward, then I would take it, but it didn't, you see. But the failure of a signal is another signal, like I said before. As you see, the other top, the second top, did not form here. It didn't form at all. You see, it failed to form. And the price, what the price did, the price was testing this resistance level. But very interestingly, you see, it break it through and come back and close below it, break it again, you see, with this one again, and then close a little bit above it and break it again here. You know that something is happening here. And also, if you look here, you will see clearly that the price display a bottom here and display a higher bottoms here. So the likelihood that if you take it here, you buy here, you have to come out here because there's a resistance here, which you were waiting for to form a double top, but it didn't form, and then it break here. And then you will buy at this level because there was a failure of a double top. And if you follow the price itself, you will notice that MACD was giving a false signal. So you won't take this one because you know clearly that this double top was not formed at all. You see, it didn't. It failed to form, and the price was just carry on horizontal, you know, horizontal, which means there was no supply at all. There was no supply. If there was a supply, if there were sellers here, the price should be forming another double top here. But there was no supply at all. There was all demand. The price was just going horizontal, you see, because here there was a low, and there was a higher low, a nice low here, a nice candle here, this doji here, plus this green one is telling you upward. And then you come out here and you wait for it to come out, you know. From here, after this candle, you get in, you see, and it went up, and there was some this wick here. Here again, there was another false signal here, as you can see. If you look carefully here, there was another false signal, you know. So, if you look very carefully, you will see that, like I always say, if there was the price fell quickly, you know, you have to reassess again your signal. You see, the price fell quickly, you see. So it fell quickly. It was too late for MACD, you know. It was too late, and the price turned around with this green and the second one. If you look carefully here, there was this green and there was this wick here. It turned around. It's finished. The party, like I said, the party is finished. This support level here has been retested here by this wick. As you can see, this wick is telling us that there were buyers here. If you follow my say, there were buyers here. So this level has been retested here and been validated. You see, the price went up again here, and the same level again for the second time being tested again by this long candle here and being validated again after these two green candle here. But look, MACD is telling us to sell. You see, right here, somebody who is using MACD like a machine will sell here, right here, and he will lose money because the price was turning around. But if you, like I said, if you follow the price, you won't take this signal, and you know that it was so quick for MACD to turn around, because MACD is a laggish indicator, but it's a very excellent indicator if you know how MACD react to the price. You know, you let the price do its own thing first, and then MACD will follow the price. That's why you come in, because you want to be conservative trader. You follow MACD after MACD give you the signal that confirm the movement or the signal of the price, and you are rewarded nicely. So here we can see that the price turned around here, and the MACD was giving sell signal. So we compare what the price is telling us to what MACD is telling us. So we know that this is a false signal because the price came and turned around. You have to study the candle patterns here. This is a nice one. You see, it went up. You know, this one, this week here, telling us the price turned around after this long, dramatical. You know, the price went fast, so fast. You know, it was too late for MACD to react, and it turned around and it went up nicely. Here again, we can see the price was forming another double top here. You see, and it couldn't materialize. You know, it just went like this a little bit. You know. But it fell, but it went horizontal first, and then it fell slowly, and touched it. This support level here, this horizontal line here, you see. But if you look carefully here, MACD gave a sell signal because the price was turning around. The MACD was following the price, but it was not easy signal. But finally, the price turned around and touched it after horizontal. So you pay attention to the price first, and then you can see when MACD give a false signal. So I hope this helps you to filter out all the false signal of MACD. Till next time, have a happy trading. Thank you.